Explore this delectable recipe and create your very own Napoleon cake. Start with the custard cream by combining sugar, vanilla sugar, egg yolks, and cornstarch in a saucepan. Gradually add hot milk while stirring continuously. Bring to a boil, add butter, and cook briefly. Transfer to a container, cover with plastic wrap, and refrigerate. Once chilled, whip cream with sweetened condensed milk and fold into the custard. Next, for the dough, combine flour and butter until crumbly. Mix cold water, egg yolks, and apple cider vinegar, then combine with the flour mixture to form a dough. Refrigerate for an hour. Preheat your oven and roll out the dough into thin circles. Prick each one and bake until golden. Cool completely. To assemble, layer custard cream between each baked layer and refrigerate the cake. Decorate as desired before serving. Check the description for full details.